Look guys, it's warm outside, but it's a little bit windy. I'm cooking breakfast and I'm cooking bacon right now, and I have here eggs and bread. I'm gonna make a sandwich with breakfast. So how are you guys? How are you guys doing? Welcome back or welcome back to Wena Simon's vlog. I mean, this is my live stream today. So how are you? My bacon is almost done. Malapit na siyang maluto. Makakakain na rin ako. Please comment down below, guys. Where are you from? You're watching from where?